Hey everyone, welcome back to my Tech Talk channel SmartBot Sphere. In our last video, we have seen how to run Python script from Power Automate Desktop. I hope you liked it. In today's video, you'll learn how to run your Excel VBA macros using Power Automate Desktop Flow. If you're someone who wants to supercharge Excel tasks without opening files manually, this is for you. Let's dive in. To run VBA macros from Power Automate, we need to understand the two parts of the solution. 1. A VBA script saved inside your Excel file. Number 2. A Power Automate flow, either desktop or cloud. That triggers it. VBA runs on the client side, so you cannot run it directly from the cloud. So, you need a helper, which is Power Automate Desktop. This makes everything click together. To make it very simple, Excel macro will be triggered from Power Automate Desktop, and Power Automate Desktop Flow can be triggered from Power Automate Cloud. Let's see an example. First, let's create an Excel macro. Here I have created an employee table with 5 columns of data. There are some 30 rows in it, having fields employee name, number, email ID, salary, and working city. The second sheet named Process Data will hold the output result data. Now, let me show you the VBA code in it. There's a sub-procedure created named ExtractByCity. We have declared 6 variables as needed. Next, assigning a name for source and target worksheets. Then we are clearing previous data. We apply filter to get city preferred city name. After that, copying headers, finding the last row in sheet 1 for the loop, and a for loop statement to loop through data and copy matching rows. Finally, a message box which displays the completion of code execution saying data for selected city has been copied to sheet 2. There's another sub-procedure is written for clearing the data from sheet 2. Okay, now let's run the macro. Click Process Data button. Enter the city name in input box and click OK. We see the message box displayed. The relevant data for the selected city has been copied to Process Data Sheet. Click the Clear button to clear the data. Now, we will call the macro from Power Automate. Let me show you. Here is our Power Automate desktop. Let's create a new flow. I use to follow the naming convention, like flow underscore and purpose of the flow. It is navigating to Power Automate Flow Editor. In the left side panel, under Action Sections, type Launch Excel in the search box. Drag and drop the action in Flow Editor space. Select the option and open the following document. There are 2 ways to select a file, either from Open Dialog Box or copying the path from File Explorer and paste it here. I am going to copy and paste my Excel macro file path here. Below in the Launch Excel window, there are some options like Open as Read Only, and in Advanced mode, you can give workbook password if your file is protected with password. Also look, there is a variable created named Excel instance. Click Save button to save the flow. Now, go to the Actions panel again. Type Run Excel Macros in the search box. Drag and drop the action in Flow Editor after Launch Excel Action. Type the VBA sub-procedure name in the macro text box. This will be triggered when you run the flow. Click Save button. That's it. Let's run the flow. Step 1 completed, and it goes to Step 2. Here, we can see the flow launched our Excel macro file and triggered the VBA macro code written. Input dialog box is waiting for the user input. User needs to type the city name which is to be filtered. Observe, the macro is executed. In the same way, multiple actions can be added in the flow to run different sub-procedures based on our project requirements. Here are some common issues and fixes. Please make sure you've added the correct sub-procedure name, that is macro name in Power Automate flow. Macro must be enabled in MS Excel. If path error, check the program path must be mentioned correctly. Use absolute paths and test the file manually. One bonus tip. You can log the steps using message boxes or write to a log file in VBA. You just learned how to run Excel VBA macros directly from Power Automate. This is perfect for sending reports, updating dashboards, or automating repetitive Excel tasks. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of automation you want to learn next. Also, check out my other videos.